Good morning, my kings and queens out there, and welcome to another episode of Rena Mae's Kitchen. If you are new to my channel, you already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you already a subscriber, I miss you guys. I had a lot of things going on, so your girl had to take a little pause, but I'm back now. So today we're going to do swatty fillets, and we're going to actually fry them in the deep fryer. But I have some good seasonings that I want to introduce you guys, and a little prep step on how it will make your fish more flavorful, and it will cut down on the odor in your house. Alright, so we're just going to take some lemon juice, and we're just going to slightly just go over it. Make sure that you're getting both sides. Now that lemon juice, it actually give it that fresh sea flavor that sometimes we be missing. Okay, after we got that done, we're going to turn it back over to the meaty side, and we're going to season the meaty side first, because the meaty side is the most flavorful part of the fish. So, and that was already on the meaty side. And when I say the meaty side, you can see how much meat and stuff is on here and how it's different from the back. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to put on a little mango magic. Now this is going to bring out the tropical flavor in the fish, and the fish that we are cooking today is swatty. So we're just gonna do, I want to say 1 teaspoon of this. Then we're gonna go ahead and put our onion butter on there, and we're just gonna lightly put it over there. Always remember, you don't want to be too heavy-handed, because fish is not good once it's salty, you guys. I am so saddened today because one of my favorite celebrity of all time, Tina Turner, she died at the age of 83. She was a good African American queen. I can definitely tell you that. She has went through her trials and tribulations. And while I'm speaking on that, we're going to have a little episode tomorrow on that Petitie's Girls podcast, where we're going to talk about the trials and tribulations of Tina Turner. We're going to highlight some of her best moments, and we're also going to give some inspiration and hope to anybody who's facing any type of domestic violence out here in the world. Now we're just going to go ahead, we're going to put another light coat on here. Now this is the back side, which is the spine of the fish. Now it may look like I'm doing really big, putting a lot of seasoning, but I'm actually not. It's just years of practice and eyeballing. Once you get comfortable in cooking and hopefully watching my show and recipes, you can get comfortable of eyeballing your seasonings as well. Alright, so we got that on there. Now we're just going to go ahead and put the honey sriracha seasoning on here, and this is a good brand. It's a kind of an upscale, expensive brand, but they really have some good seasonings, and I like it because a lot of their seasonings are very different from just regular seasonings that you go in the grocery store and buy. Okay, now that we got the back and the front of the fish already seasoned, we're gonna go ahead and put it in the cornmeal. Now the cornmeal is actually Yellowstone Indian head cornmeal, and it's yellow cornmeal. Now we're just gonna put that in there. Make sure it looks good. Make sure it's all covered. Always remember, before you put it in the oil, make sure you shake off the excess cornmeal on there. Go ahead and do this one as well. Now I hope you guys are having a beautiful, blessed Saturday. I tell you, it's been a long week for your sister girl. It's been a long week, so I'm up here giving y'all this new seasoning method that I came up with that tastes really, really good. Now we're going to continue to shake off the excess flour. Well, not flour, but cornmeal. And we're going to proceed to do that for all of these. Now, if no one told you they love you, just remember God loves you each and every day. And thank you for tuning in to another great episode of Rena Mae's Kitchen. And also, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Support your girl. Show your girl some love. Out.